Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to install shaders on Microsoft 1.21.5. First thing you need to do is to open the Minecraft launcher. Choose the version 1.21.5 from the drop-down and click play once to fully load the version. Now visit irisshaders.dev/download. Click the download universal jar and save the jar file to your computer. Now go to mod.rinth/shaders and you can find Shaderpacks. You can do complementary shaders, BSL shaders or Silder's vibrant shaders. Then download the zip file. If you can't open the jar files, install Java. And if the installer doesn't open, fix jar association with joefulman.net website. Now double-click the Iris installer, select Minecraft and click Install. It creates a new Iris profile in your Minecraft launcher. Now open Minecraft and choose the Iris and Sodium profile, then click Play. In Minecraft, go to Options, Video Settings and Shaderpacks. Click Open Shaderpack folder. Drag your downloaded zip shade pack into the folder and back in Minecraft, select your shader and click Apply. You now have Minecraft 1.21.5 running with stunning shaders. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.